Before I started training with stretch, I was 3 months postpartum and I lost my strength. I didn't have any core awareness. So I felt really unmotivated about going back to the gym and also like I was just starting from scratch. Before we started, my only familiarity with online training was probably those like fitness apps where it's just a program not tailored to you, not something that I would really ever do. Yeah, my expectation is that it would suit my lifestyle personally because I never know when I'd have the opportunity to go to the gym, who would babysit. So I did like the flexibility of being on my own schedule. I like most about my training that it's tracked and I can really see my results. It's probably the first time in my life that I have data and I can really see my results. I've never had a program that was actually tailored this specifically to my imbalances and where I do need to build more strength. I definitely feel more stable and more balanced in my body. Obviously, lots of room for improvement. Every day, this baby's getting heavier, but yeah, I definitely feel more confident with. I don't know how I'm performing. I definitely have a lot more of awareness for my form. So I'm really happy with that too. In the time that we've been together, obviously I've built a lot of strength. I was basically working with nothing, which was really disappointing because I exercised my whole pregnancy. And also, I've lost 8 kilos. I'm pre baby weight. So I'm really happy with that too, without doing much cardio. So that's exciting. And just by building muscle and building strength. So that's great. I just think it's great for me to be able to move and function and not have aches and pains. And the more I exercise, the better I feel. Yeah, definitely. I would recommend online training. I think the benefits are that it's on your own schedule. And I really do think you don't get as much critique feedback as you do with stretch. I think this is great. I'm really happy with it. I've been making a lot of progress. This really works for me. So I'm really happy.